Hello everyone. So in last class we were discussing about endorsement. Let's take a quick revision and then we are going to move ahead. So I'm sharing a PPT with you right now and let's take a quick revision what we have discussed in the last class. So in last class we were discussing about what is endorsement. I told you that in endorsement is a type of advertisement. In this type of advertisement, the company uses famous personalities or celebrities who command a high degree of recognition, trust, respect, and awareness among the people. Such people advertise for a product, lending their names or image to promote a product or service. So, बच्चों in advertisement, the company hires a celebrity, makes an agreement with a famous celebrity. The celebrity which command a high degree of recognition, trust or respect among the people. Now, the company pay huge amount of money to that celebrity. That celebrity will advertise the product of company. That celebrity will say that this product is very good. I am using this product, I am consuming that product. The celebrity will give you a demo also on television or whatever form of advertisement he is doing. For example, the ad of Hrithik Roshan you have seen where Hrithik Roshan drinks Mountain Dew. So it means the celebrity will directly motivates you, inspire you to buy that product by lending the name of celebrity and image to promote a product or service. Then endorsements for athletes. When it comes to what consumer seeks, I told you what consumer wants, all it takes is presenting a brand in a right way and they are sold. It's all about promotion nowadays. It's all about promotion nowadays. And endorsement are a popular means of advertisement. I told you many companies, many big companies like Lay's, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Puma, Adidas, Levi's, Wrangler, all these companies uses famous celebrities to promote their product because they know that how much it will going to gain in their sales. Then sports advertisement, sports endorsement make up a huge market. Just think of how many celebrities you see out in the world advertising products in magazines and commercials. It takes a certain kind of athlete who is capable of representing product. Endorsement in sports have been so popular throughout the time. Generally, all now seek one. All now seek one means every company who wants to grow in market, who wants to move ahead in market, is nowadays endorsing one or the other celebrity. That celebrity helps the company in promoting the product. Not only does the company benefit, but the athlete also benefits from a huge amount of publicity and a sizable paychecks as well. How endorsement works? With endorsement work, you will sign up with a company for a specified period of time, such as a year, and you become the company's representative during that period. This can be more than standard advertising or commercials. Some companies may require you to physically present for the launch of the product in question. You might be needed at the board of directors meeting to present the product. These are the part of the reason that the company will pay highly for your work and likeness. Then I told you what is celebrity endorsement. In celebrity endorsement refers to a marketing strategy whose purpose is to use one or multiple celebrity to advertise a specific product. But so it does not mean that a company who is endorsing a product or advertising a product uses only one celebrity. It may be possible that the company may use more than one celebrities. For example, the Lux soap. The Lux soap at one time they uses four five celebrities. In that there was Aishwarya Rai, Katrina Kapoor, and all. In one advertisement, they uses four five celebrities. That's why Lux is so famous nowadays. Lux is almost, I think Lux is the number one in terms of soap in India, especially. Breaking down celebrity endorsement, I told you it is no secret that big corporations are willing to spend a lot of money in order to cut a deal with a celebrity. But to the celebrity which become famous, every company try to get that celebrity with them, to associate that celebrity with them so that they can take the advantage of their startup. For example, Michael Jordan and Nike, a partnership resulted in the development of a new product line. Beyonce and Pepsi, with Pepsi spending up to 50 millions in order to win the deal with Beyonce. The sponsorship not only generate millions of profit for brand, but they also boost positive publicity, exposure, and engagement. Benefit of celebrity endorsement, I told you direct sale. I have given you an example that suppose you went to buy a shoe and you are a fan of Messi. Outside the Adidas showroom, you see a cutout of Messi wearing Adidas shoes. So you will automatically get attracted toward that showroom and you are going to buy. It is possibility that you are going to buy Adidas shoe. Awareness. Now, when a celebrity endorse a product, advertise a product, it creates a huge amount of brand awareness because the viewers get attracted towards it. Confidence. People also trust the celebrity who is famous. Now, if a famous celebrity like Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, if they are endorsing a product, advertising a product, people will think that such a famous celebrity, why will they buy such a poor quality if the product is of poor quality? Whatever product they are endorsing, it means the product is of good quality, and people will automatically build a confidence on that product. Loyalty. Now, if you are a fan, if you are loyal towards Virat Kohli, whatever Virat Kohli will do, you will follow that. If Virat Kohli is endorsing, advertising a product, you will automatically become loyal to that product because you will see that your favorite star, Virat Kohli, is also using that product. Disadvantages of celebrity endorsement, I told you. Image change. But so, celebrities are also humans. They also make mistakes. If some celebrity makes a mistake which affect their image, so whatever product is associated with that celebrity, that product will also get affected. The brand image of that product will also get damaged. Celebrity become overexposed. I told you that suppose if a celebrity become very famous and they are endorsing suppose 10, 20, 15 products at one time. Now people will feel that this celebrity is endorsing so many products. It means this celebrity will do anything for the money. Celebrity can overshadow brand. Consumer may focus on the celebrity and not on the brand, on the product. This is a particular danger when celebrity endorse multiple products at a time. David Beckham endorses a number of companies. However, his image at the focal point of advertising devalues many products. Do you remember the brand or do you remember David Beckham? Now I'm sharing another PPT with you. I told you the list of I've given you the list of top 10 highest athletes of 2020 and 21. In that, number one is Conor McGregor. He is an Irish mixed martial art fighter. Number two, Leon Messi. We all know Leon Messi is one of the biggest football stars of Barcelona. He plays for Barcelona. Cristiano Ronaldo. He is a Portuguese football star. He is the first person in the world. He is the first person in the world to reach 500 million followers across Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. First person in the world to reach 500 million followers across Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Then number four, Dak Prescott. He is also a football player. He plays for Dallas Cowboy. Then LeBron James. LeBron James is a basketball player. He's on number fifth. He is also making his Hollywood debut in July with the release of Space Jam: A New Legacy. Neymar is also a football star. He's on number six. Roger Federer is a tennis superstar. He's on number seven. Lewis Hamilton is a British car racing driver. He's on number eight. Tom Brady, he is also an American footballer. He is on number ninth. Kevin Durant, he is a basketball star. He is on number 10th. Then we have discussed these illustrations, I guess. We have discussed these illustrations. Now let us move ahead. So we have done a quick revision what I have told you in last class. Now I am sharing another PPT with you and we are going to start a new topic now. Celebrity endorsement strategy. बच्चों, brand often use celebrity to get impact because they are seen by the public as credible source of information about product and company. बच्चों, celebrity is a public face. People know a celebrity. People trust a celebrity. People follow a celebrity. So if you endorse a celebrity to advertise your product, they will be seen by public as a credible source of information about your product and company. People aspire to the values and lifestyle of celebrities. I told you that when a celebrity becomes famous, people start following them. People like to know what they are doing, what is their lifestyle, what they eat, when they sleep, when they eat, when they work out, everything. Consumers selectively integrate perceived values and behavior of celebrities they admire to build and communicate their own identity. Celebrity endorser is a person who enjoys high reputation and prestige. Celebrity endorser is a person who enjoys high reputation and prestige, being known to most people. Celebrity endorsement is a relevant strategy for the product categories which improve the image. Celebrity endorsement has become one of the communication strategies used in marketing to build congruence between brand image and consumers. Famous persons exert their influence on consumers through perceived attributes such as expertise, trustworthiness, attractiveness, familiar and likable. So बच्चों, celebrity endorsement is a strategy for the product category which improve the image of the product. Whenever a company want to improve a image of the product or want to build a brand loyalty, they use this famous celebrity to endorse their product. I will give you an example of Red Bull. We have all heard the name of Red Bull. Red Bull is not a not so much old company. Red Bull is around, I think, 10-15 year old company, but still Red Bull has become very famous. Everyone knows about Red Bull. People like Red Bull. What Red Bull did, Red Bull spent huge amount of money on advertisement or marketing, especially in car racing. They sponsor the whole event. They use many celebrities to endorse their product. And slowly, Red Bull has captured market all over the world. So this is the influence. This is the influence which you get on the product when you use celebrity to endorse your product. They give you a huge amount of publicity, huge amount of sale, huge amount of brand loyalty, credibility if you use a celebrity to endorse your product. That's why the companies which have become so big, like Pepsi, Coca Cola, Puma, Adidas, Nike, these companies are very famous. They do not need any advertising, but still they spend crores of rupees every year on celebrity endorsement because they know that in this competitive market it is very important to keep people reminding about their product, to keep people engaged about their product. What people see, the strategy, what people see is what they buy. If they stop seeing your product, they will stop buying it. As simple as that. So this is celebrity endorsement strategy. Now, marketing and endorsement. Endorsement are a form of advertising that uses famous personalities or celebrities who command a high degree of recognition, trust, respect, or awareness among the people. Such people advertise for a product, lending their names or image to promote a product or service. Advertisers and clients hope such approval or endorsement by a celebrity which influence buyers favorably. For example, Sachin Tendulkar endorsing motorcycles and biscuits can influence young men or children who took who look at him as role model. So बच्चों endorsement are a form of advertising which uses famous celebrities who command a high degree of recognition, trust, respect, and awareness among the people. Such people advertise a product, they lend their name, they lend their image to promote a product. For example, nowadays Salman Khan is promoting Pepsi. We all like to see Salman Khan. Many people are big fan of Salman Khan, and whenever Salman Khan comes on TV, whatever product he's endorsing right now Pepsi. People like to see him. People like to admire him. People like to follow him. And the people who are a big fan of Salman Khan, who follows Salman Khan, will consume Pepsi thinking that Salman Khan likes Pepsi and Salman Khan also consume Pepsi. So this is the impact that a company get on the product when they advertise, endorse some famous celebrities. These celebrities, advertisers, and clients hope such approval and endorsement by a strategy will influence buyer favorably. For example, Sachin Tendulkar endorsing motorcycles and biscuits can influence young men and children who look at him as role model. For example, बच्चों, years back, when Sachin Tendulkar used to play for India, he used to play with MRF bat. And all the children of that time, whenever they go to the market, they tries to buy MRF bat only. And we all know that image of MRF tire is on number one position in India. It is because Sachin Tendulkar was using MRF, and nowadays Virat Kohli is using the MRF. So the brand image of MRF is very amazing. Such advertising connects with a lot more people than ordinary advertising can, because people will notice celebrities, famous personalities, and role models. Such ads work well for aspiring products or lifestyle. I told you that people will notice. People notice that what the celebrity is using, I will also use that. What that celebrity is doing, whatever the celebrities do, people follow their famous celebrity whosoever they like. endorsement can confer on a brand a larger than life image. And if advertising follows the current celebrities and personalities, the endorsement can last quite long. But it is saying that endorsement can confer on a brand larger than life image. If they uses famous personalities, famous celebrities, the impact of its celebrity will remain on the image throughout the life. For example, today also we have an impact on MRF have a brand image of Sachin Tendulkar. Lux has a brand image of till now Aishwarya Rai. So Lux is an example which is endorsed by all the leading actresses of the generation, helping greatly to keep Lux a relevant and attractive brand even as consumer changes. So, Bachchu, what was the strategy of Lux? Lux always endorsed the leading actress of the time. First of all, they were having Aishwarya Rai, then Kareena Kapoor, now Katrina Kaif, then Alia Bhatt. So Lux always endorsed the leading actress of the generation so that people can connect with that actress, and their strategy works. It greatly helped Lux, and Lux has become a very good, attractive brand. The more famous or celebrity endorses the product, the more expensive it can be to use that personality for a product. But so the more famous celebrity endorse the product, the more famous it can be to use that personality or product. The more the famous celebrity, the more the expensive it can be to use the personality for a product. Advantages of endorsement. What are the advantages of endorsement? Number one, endorsement help your brand to be able to stand out. Obviously, endorsement help your brand to have a position, to have a personality in the market. For example, in market there are thousands of shoe brands, but we all know only some name like Puma, Adidas, Nike, Woodland. Why? Because all these brands do advertisement at a very large scale. They use famous celebrities. That's why their brand is able to stand out in the market. Number two, it may open up new markets for your business. Yes, of course. Nike launched a new shoe brand with the name of Jordan, and Michael Jordan, famous basketball player, is endorsing that. And that brand Jordan has become very famous now. So this is because of endorsement. Number three, a solid product endorsement can build brand credibility. Obviously, a solid endorsement, product endorsement build brand credibility. For example, MRF, Lux, Pepsi, Coke, etc. It creates a brand trigger for consumer. Yes, of course. When you see Ranbir Kapoor endorsing Lays, and you went into the market to buy some chips, and you see the Lays, you will buy Lays because you know that this product is having a very good quality because Ranbir Kapoor is also consuming it. So it triggers into consumer mind, and they are motivated, inspired to buy that product. Number five, endorsement gives your brand personality. Obviously, for example, Mountain Dew's personality is Hrithik Roshan. That Hrithik Roshan is endorsing Mountain Dew. Number six, it speed up time required to establish a market footprint. Of course. For example, I take the example of Red Bull. Red Bull is not so old company, it is around 10-15 year old company, but Red Bull has become very famous in such a short span. It is because it uses famous celebrity to endorse that product. Take another example of रेड बुल हो गया, रेड बुल इज एग्जांपल ऑफ रॉन्ग। रॉन्ग कंपनी इज endorsed by Virat Kohli, and Wrong is a new company around 4 5 years back. It was established and it became very famous because the face of that company is Virat Kohli. Take an example of Vivo. Vivo already in Indian market there were many phones, mobile phones which have established their market like Samsung, OnePlus, MI, iPhone. Vivo is a new company. After that also, Vivo has become very famous and it has established a market footprint. That is because Vivo uses famous personality like Katrina Kaif, Ranbir Kapoor, all these celebrities to endorse their product, and they have become very famous. It creates a high retention rate for future consumers. Yes, it creates a high retention rate for future consumers because the company keeps on using famous celebrity to endorse the product. They do not let you forget about their product, which help in them retaining the consumers. 8. Create long-term loyalty towards a brand. For example, MRF, Lux, they have a long-term loyalty for their brand, for their brand because these brands are endorsed by famous personalities. That's why it created long-term loyalty towards their brands. Disadvantages of endorsement. Number one, endorsement become associated with the brand image. If the image of celebrity goes down, the image of brand will also automatically go down. Number two, it is expensive to hire people to endorse product. Obviously, if you hire some famous personalities to endorse your product, they charge huge amount of money. So it is really very expensive to hire famous personality to endorse your product. A good endorsement can't fix a bad product. But you can inspire, you can motivate people to buy your product. But if your product is not good, once a consumer will buy your product by seeing a famous personality endorse your product. But if your product is not good, they will not rebuy your product. For example, I will give you the example of Monster company. Monster is an energy drink which is launched by a company in the competition of Red Bull. But taste of Monster is not so good in spite of the fact that Monster is being endorsed by Virat Kohli. People started buying Monster, but sooner after some time, they do not rebuy it because the taste is not so good in terms of in competition of Red Bull. That's why Monster nowadays is not so famous, and people only buy um, Red Bull. So a good endorsement can't fix a bad product. Not every endorsement is a good endorsement. So, bachcho, these were the disadvantages of endorsement. Now, let us move ahead. I'm sharing another PPT with you now. Difference between endorsement and sponsorship. What is the difference between endorsement and sponsorship? Bachcho, I told you that in sponsorship, what a company do, company make a contract with company make an agreement with sports organization that suppose a company made a contract that uh, Team India will wear the T-shirt having the name of Byju's. Now, in sponsorship, Byju's has sponsored whole of the Team India. Now, whole of the Team India is wearing the T-shirt right now of having the name Byju's here. Now, they do not tell people or they do not inspire people or they do not give any demo about Byju's. They just display the name of Byju's on their t-shirts. And Byju's company, for displaying the name of their company, for displaying the logo of their company, they pay huge amount of money to the sports organization. So बच्चों in sponsorship, the players, the persons do not inspire people, do not motivate people to buy that product. They will just display the name or the logo of that product so that people will get to know about their product. But they do not tell you the use or the advantage or to buy that product. They will only display the name or logo of that product. For example, MRF has given the sponsorship to a single player, that is Sachin Tendulkar. So Sachin Tendulkar used to play with the bat MRF bat. Now Sachin Tendulkar never tells you to buy MRF tire. He will never tell you about the advantages of MRF tire. He will never show you the MRF tire. He just comes and play with the bat having the MRF brand. Now, this is a sponsorship where the player will not inspire or motivate the people to buy that product. They will just showcase the name or logo of the company. Now, example of Vivo, Samsung, all these companies, when they sponsor a sport event, they put their logo and name on the billboards on the ground. But players or the sport organization, they will never come on the ground and tells you to buy a Vivo phone, to buy a Samsung phone, to buy a Oppo phone. Neither they will show you the phone. So company will just showcase their name. They will just display their name or logo, and for that they give huge amount of money to the sports. So this is known as sponsorship. Whereas in endorsement, the celebrity will directly inspire people, motivate people to buy that product. That celebrity will consume product in front of you, will uh, will tell you the advantage of product. For example, Hrithik Roshan is endorsing Mountain Dew. So he will open the tap of Mountain Dew and bring the Mountain Dew in that advertisement. So he inspires you, he motivates you that I am consuming Mountain Dew, you should also drink Mountain Dew. Take example of Siaj car. Siaj car of Maruti company is endorsed by Ranveer Singh. Now, in that ad, Ranveer Singh is driving Siaj car. He keeps on telling you the advantage of a Siaj car, that this car is very smooth, AC is very good, and CR is just amazing. I am driving this car, I am using this car. You should also buy this car. So, these celebrity endorsement, the celebrity directly motivates you, inspires you, excites you to buy that product or consume that product. But in sponsorship, the celebrity will never inspire or directly motivate you to buy the product. It will just display the name or logo of that product or brand. So this is the difference between endorsement and sponsorship. Sponsorship is a marketing tool used by a business where they pay for some or all costs involved in a project in return of recognition. Sponsors aim to be associated with events and projects that are directly linked to their target audience. Endorsement, on the other hand, has a much more personal twist. When someone is endorsed by a brand, they are publicly saying that they recommend or suggest you to try a particular product because they think it's good. I told you in endorsement, the famous celebrity will suggest or recommend you to try a particular product because they think that this product is really amazing. For example, Nike was a main sponsor of the 2014 World Cup, but that does not mean that all the teams and players involved in the competition like or use that brand. Nor it means that FIFA recommend you to use Nike. I told you that in sponsorship, the FIFA is getting the sponsorship of Nike. Now it does not mean that all the players are using this Nike brand. And neither the FIFA will recommend you to use Nike. Adidas, one of Nike's biggest competitors, also sponsored the World Cup. and both got the benefit from having the brand being exposed to potential customer. So what is sponsorship at one time, many company, many brand can promote their product, but in endorsement, one company can advertise or promote their product at one time. Because you see, whenever any sports is coming, that is cricket or football, you see many companies advertise their product at a similar time, like Adidas, Nike, Samsung, Oppo. You all see the advertisement of these companies on billboards. So all these companies are giving huge amount of money to the sports, and all these companies get the benefit for their brand being exposed to potential customers. They sponsor the event, invest money in the competition, and in return are able to showcase their brand to the world. So in sponsorship, the company invests their money in the competition, and in return, what they get, they are able to showcase their brand to the world, so that they can get brand awareness, publicity. However, Nike also have endorsement deals with influential athletes that use their product and believe it is the best product. So in endorsement, I told you the athlete who uses the product, the who endorse the product will use the product and will tell you that I believe that this product is the best. You can also try this product. Here the value comes from the athlete's influence in generating sale through a recommendation. Now, the same athlete would not be able to be endorsed by Nike and Adidas at the same time for that result in a conflict of interest. For example, if Leon Messi is endorsing Nike, now Leon Messi cannot endorse Adidas because the people will get confused. There will be conflict that Leon Messi is using what, Nike or Adidas. So Adidas will take Ronaldo or some other famous footballer. Endorsement deal have to come across as authentic to consumers. So, Bachu, this is the difference between endorsement and sponsorship. In endorsement, the famous celebrity they lend their name or image with the product. They inspire and motivate the people to use or buy the product because they believe that the product is the best. In sponsorship, neither the sports nor the celebrities or the players will never recommend you to use the product. They will not tell you that we are using the product. They will just display the name of the brand or product so that the brand or product can get brand awareness. Now, I'm sharing another PPT with you. Let us do some MCQs now. Now, but to let us do some MCQs. At the end of every class, I told you why we do MCQs. Because MCQs will help you in getting the clarity on the topic. Your whole topic will automatically get revised if you do MCQs. So let us start with some MCQs and please try to attempt these MCQs. Please everyone try to attempt these MCQs because it will help you in getting the clarity on the topic. Number one, highest paid athlete of 2020 and 2021. A. Conor McGregor. B. Leon Messi. C. Cristiano Ronaldo. D. Dak Prescott. Next, advantages of endorsement. A. Create long-term loyalty towards a brand. B. Endorsement become associated with the brand image. C. It is expensive to hire people to endorse products. D. A good endorsement can't fix a bad product. Next, disadvantages of endorsement. A. It is expensive to hire people to endorse products. B. Endorsements help your brand to be able to stand out. C. It may open up new market for your business. D. A solid product endorsement can build Dash is a marketing tool used by business where they pay for some or all the cost involved in a project in return of recognition. A. Endorsement. B. Sponsorship. C. Broadcasting. D. None. When someone is dash by a brand, they are publicly saying that they recommend or suggest you try a particular product because they think it's good. A. Endorsed. B. Sponsored. C. Both. Endorsed and sponsored. D. None of the above. Dash are a form of advertising that uses famous personalities or celebrities who command a high degree of recognition, trust, respect, or awareness among the people. Such people advertise for a product, lending their name or image to product to promote or service. A. Sponsorship. B. Endorsement. C. Broadcasting. D. None of the above. Benefits of celebrity endorsement. A. Celebrities become overexposed. B. Celebrities can overshadow brands. D. C. Image changes. D. Direct fee. Next, disadvantages of celebrity endorsement. A. Loyalty. B. Confidence. C. Awareness. D. Celebrity can overshadow brands. Then, Dash can be viewed as a subdivision of marketing that has a focus on promoting both the organizations and their products, as well as sports events and team involved. A. Sports advertising. B. Sports endorsement. C. Sports broadcasting. D. None of the above. So, bachcho, you all have to try these MCQs at home, and in next class, I am going to tell you the answers. Please, everyone, try to attempt this MCQ. So, in the next class, when I will tell you the answers, you can check your answers whether they are correct or not. I am again sharing these MCQs. You can either take a photo or you can either take a screenshot. Please either take a photo or take a screenshot and try to attempt these MCQs. In next class, I am going to tell you the answers. Please everyone try to attempt the MCQs because it will help you in getting clarity on the topic, because I have covered almost every topic in the MCQs. Your whole topic will automatically get revised. When you will attempt MCQs now, you will see that your whole topic automatically get revised when you attempt MCQs. So please try to attempt these MCQs. In next class, I will give you the answers. Okay. I hope everyone has taken a photo or a screenshot. So thank you everyone for joining. I'll see you in next class. Please everyone take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.